welcome to the channel of Excel World by Raghav. In today's tutorial, we will learn the shortcuts using Alt and Alt key with alphabets. What is Alt? Alt is nothing but alternate in short. Let's see what happens if we just press the Alt key in our keyboard. Once we press the Alt key, we could able to see the shortcuts that are being there in the ribbon toolbar, that is like home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, formulas, and likewise. Now let's see each one by one with the alphabets by using the Alt key. By pressing Alt A, it gives the selection from the options of data tab. By pressing Alt B, it gives the selection of options from power pivot. From Alt H, it gives the selection of options from Home tab. From Alt and L, it gives the options from Developer tab. From Alt and M, it gives the selection of options from Formula tab. From Alt and N, it gives the selection of options from the Insert tab. From Alt and P, it gives the selection of options from Page Layout tab. From Alt Q, it gives the selection of what the user wants to search of unknown list in Excel. Instead of Alt and Q, we can use even F1 key. Alt and R, selection of options from the Review Layout tab. Alt and W, it gives the selection of options from View tab. And finally, Alt and Y, it gives and opens a window pane of sharing the file. So that's all friends in this tutorial. Hope you have liked. If you have liked, please subscribe, comment and share with your friends. Thank you.